bring on the buds and the bulbs. However, up in the far north of our islands, winter has returned. Up in Shetland today, the temperature very close to freezing, and there could be some more snow overnight tonight, perhaps quite a bit of the stuff over the top of the higher ground, with perhaps as much as an inch beginning to lie at lower levels. Now, as you can see here, there's quite a lot of cloud across northern and western parts of the British Isles, and it's all moving eastwards, and where there is thicker cloud, there's also some rain. Now, I think we're going to find some heavier bursts of rain moving into Northern Ireland and up the western side of Scotland during this evening and the early part of the night, and they could be accompanied by the odd rumble of thunder. And indeed, that wetter weather will extend further and further eastwards overnight tonight, but we are going to find somewhat clearer, drier weather coming along behind it. The winds will freshen up as well as that wet weather moves eastwards, but I think they're likely to ease down again during tomorrow. But overnight tonight, with all that cloud around the rain and also those fresher winds, I think frost not too much of a problem for most of us, but it is going to be a rather cold night, a frosty night up there in Shetland. Now, during the next 24 hours, it's these set of weather fronts here that are going to be crossing the bulk of the country, but in between them you can see a little ridge of high pressure, and that really cold air is to the north of this weather front, straddling the far north of Scotland tomorrow. I think we are going to find things brightening up in Shetland through the day tomorrow, although across the northern highlands it is going to remain rather cloudy all day, and there'll be outbreaks of rain, perhaps even a little bit of sleet and snow over the higher ground. But the rain clearing away from much of eastern Scotland and eastern England, some dry and bright weather for much of the day. However, later on we are going to find the cloud thickening up from the southwest, and that's going to bring some mist and drizzle onto the western side of the country. Unfortunately, my computer system has decided it is not going to show you any more of the charts, so looking further ahead, and I'll just tell you about the temperatures tomorrow. It is going to be quite warm in the sunshine in the south, around about 14 Celsius, but up in the far north of Scotland, just 3 Celsius. As far as the weekend's concerned, well, a dull, damp start on Saturday for most of us. The weather system's clearing away for Sunday as high pressure builds, so some sunshine then.